Hey guys, what's up with another video? Like and subscribe, but let's get on to the video. So I have the Ganz keychain. I got this Ganz keychain today and I'm gonna do a review of it. Also, I have a review of a lube. The lube, it's LUNAR, I think, and I put it on this. It moves kind of fast. Also, it corner cuts kind of good. This is like about $10. This, like that. I can't solve a Rubik's Cube, but I've got the white cross once. But comment in the description if you want me to try to solve a Rubik's Cube, and I'll do it. If you like this cube, go to speedcubeshop.com. Bye guys, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.